And I noticed that pages that had those, people would stick to the page a little bit longer, which just makes sense because as you're scrolling down, it catches your eye. You're more likely to stop, watch it, and then not hit your back button, which is what you want, as few people to do as possible. The animated images thing actually came from something where it's completely unrelated to SEO. It was just something we wanted to try for the sake of creating cool stuff. So what we were doing before was for any sort of like step-by-step process, we'd either have like a bunch of screenshots or a Wistia video that was like a couple minutes long. And we're finding that the problem with the screenshots is that you have so many that the pages gets enormous. And it's kind of almost hard to follow in a way. And then having the Wistia video was like, people would never click on it. So there was this new format called SVG. It's kind of like an animated GIF, but more sharp because animated GIFs tend to be kind of blurry. So it was like, you could just take a video clip, put it on a page and it would automatically play. And it's great because it's like an animated GIF, but it looks really nice. So we started using those for little tutorial steps. And as it turned out, people really liked them. And I noticed that pages that had those, people would stick to the page a little bit longer, which just makes sense because as you're scrolling down, it catches your eye. You're more likely to stop, watch it, and then not hit your back button, which is what you want, as few people to do as possible.
Yeah, well, because I can attest that like as I was scrolling through the advanced SEO tactics, I saw some animated GIFs and I lingered on them. I was like, this is interesting. I haven't seen it before, right? And so there's the whole thing of if something's fresh, it gives you an advantage, right? But if everybody starts to do it, then you got to find the next thing. But just quickly, just coming back to the content, right? Like is to find the content that's already out there that has a bunch of links and make something better.